Hello, 11th graders. Let's talk about today. Today is Wednesday, so you have three quick assignments to do. There is a very short reading quiz over Chapter 1, Part 1. This is just to make sure that you understood basically what happened. You can take it up to 5 times. You won't be able to see which are the right answers, but you'll be able to see which ones you got right, so pay attention. Then listen and read to Chapter 1, Part 2. Now, this is going to be about the other Westmore. You can tell because he doesn't say I anymore. He says Wes, right? So you're going to hear about a story from the other Westmore's early childhood, and then you're going to comment in the book discussion for that day as well, because you will have heard about both of the main West characters. I don't have a live schedule session with you today, but we do have one tomorrow. And that will be posted in tomorrow's box when we get there, but let's look at today really quick. So, quick quiz for Chapter 1, Part 1. It's your last score that's going to count, so make sure that's the good one. Here is the audio. The book is in Rack and Via. And then the book discussion for today. I'm asking you to choose one character to discuss and then describe how that character has been impacted by their race, gender, education, or family. And I have a list here. I already have one person who's replied and replied back to him. So, for example, if you wanted to talk about the author Westmore, do not start a new string, reply to Mustafa, okay? But if you're talking about one of the other characters, start a new string, reply to me, hit here, okay? So good luck. Let me know if you have questions, and I will talk to you live tomorrow.